Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about a tool that I have recently discovered and I have started using it. I really like the idea of the tool and what it's trying to do. So this is a tool, by the way. This is Kitty, and there are two special features I really like about it. Actually, three. The first one is it is a GPU based terminal, so it is pretty fast. Second, it lets you open images directly in the terminal, which is fucking amazing because I like to live in terminal and I don't want to open another window to view an image from the Finder. So pretty much hit that, especially during cleanups when I'm cleaning up some files from a downloads folder. I want to see what image it is. I have to again open it in Finder and see what image it is. It's pretty annoying. Another thing is the keyboard shortcuts. I really like how they have thought about the keyboard shortcuts. I've used iTerm before. I prefer these keyboard shortcuts that Kitty has set up. This is a basic gist of what Kitty is. Now we'll deep dive into more what it is and what my config is. So yeah, this is my Kitty config. I'll just quickly walk through some of those features that I really like. So basically, cursor shape block because again, terminal block we really like. The other thing is like in Mac, you have to do this setting to make it block. This is for history. This is for not tearing up the screen because I use a BenQ monitor, and if you want the FPS of Kitty to match that of the monitor, you should use this option. Apart from that, layout, you can do this with Kitty. It you can do this. Okay, this is how you traverse tabs, and this is how you would traverse the windows. I was able to make this nifty change where if this is an active terminal, it is highlighted in green. So yeah, so I know which terminal is active. It is a bit easier on the eyes. Yeah, now going back to the terminal. This is just padding on top and bottom. This is the green color thing which I showed before. And this is to hide the title bar. I don't need the title bar. One specific problem with hiding the title bar is sometimes if I switch between monitors, it expands on the macOS screen. For that, I have rectangle this setting maximize, so it helps it also. I don't need it. Confirm OS window. This was a tricky one. Whether I want to basically keep the ask for a confirmation, I'll like fuck it, no. So basically that. And this one is pretty fun. So the tabs that you see on the top, are pretty fun to play with. So to give them correct shape and all, you have to use these three settings. Yeah, that's it. That's about it. So yeah, that's the config. It is pretty small and gets like it is pretty handy. I can traverse pretty fast between terminals if there are multiple projects. By the way, the kitty conf is here on the GitHub gist. I'll just give it in description, or you can find it on my gist. Actually, let me go to CD pictures, and let's see, there is an image here, OBS mask, and suppose I want to view it in the terminal. So what I can do is kitten icat OBS. Yeah, so now I can see the image in the terminal basically. So yeah, this is the image part of it. So I don't have to leave terminal to watch any image, for example. Another thing about Kit is that I know it's really fast. It is definitely faster than what experience I had on iTerm. Even it is very negligible. It's just that when doing lot of stuff, I have so many tabs open, and sometimes I felt a little difference in the performance compared to iTerm. Very little. It's very minor, but I got a M1 Max, so I like obviously I have to use the GPUs, the 16 core GPU that I have. So yeah, for that I needed this to utilize all the GPU cores to run a terminal. Yeah. Yeah, but still there is one small weird thing that it does. I know it is really fast, but I don't know why at this point it acts weird. So you see there is uneven gaps here, uneven gaps here, uneven gaps here. Is it because it's slow or is some bug? I don't know. So yeah, that is another thing to keep in mind, that yeah, is made by developers. So my advice is go try it out just for the sake of trying it out. If you want, if you're happy with item, don't try it out. But I still suggest, okay, my advice is to just go ahead and try it out, just to feel the experience of trying out new things. And once you discover new things, maybe you'll like them and stick with them. I'm sticking with Kitty. I'll carry it in the future, and let's see how it goes. But this is my terminal setup as of now. Yeah, I'll see you in the